At the beginning of the film, there's a scene of a cheerful conversation between SWAT SEAL X and the assassin Jack.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I like it.
This guy is so beautiful.
Yeah, I think so.
From a distance, an imposing soldier appears walking down the street. Suddenly, he sees Jack and SEAL X having a conversation.
Yeah, everything is right.
No, impossible.
The soldier notices something, then he leaves.
Yeah.
I'm so
SEAL X feels thirsty
Let me
and
get
tells
water.
Jack to sit here while he goes to get water.
Hey, wait a minute.
The soldier leads the bus to where Jack and SEAL X were having their conversation earlier.
This way. Let's go. Yes, sir. Boss, it's here. Son.
The boss sees Jack and appears delighted. However, Jack doesn't recognize him and shoots, causing both to quickly take cover.
Son, it's me.
The boss tries to explain the situation to Jack and Jack stops firing his gun.
What do you want? What are you doing here?
I'm so brother.
The boss steps forward and speaks,
It's me.
but Jack doesn't listen and continues shooting.
Drop me.
SEAL X hears gunshots, quickly runs over and sees Jack confronting the boss and the soldier. Without hesitation, SEAL X raises his gun and fires at the boss. Seeing this, the soldier also returns fire at the SWAT. Jack and SEAL X rush out together to attack the boss and the soldier. The boss in anger charges out and shoots SEAL X, injuring him. Seeing this, Jack frantically shoots back at the opponents. The soldier is forced to come out and surrender. He reveals his identity and the boss is to Jack.
Please, it's me.
The boss also comes out and explains everything to Jack to help him remember. Jack starts to feel that something is wrong as the boss and the soldier continue to stir up memories.
Yeah, good.
Despite this, Jack chooses to shoot the soldier dead. Seeing this, the boss becomes angry and shoots back at Jack. The boss runs up to Jack and scolds him for his actions.
This way.
Jack gradually starts to remember his past with the boss.
Let's go. Come on.
You go first.
Hey, son, it's me. Son, no way. Hey, let's go with me. Come on, go.
Jack had pushed the boss away and was fighting alone against two SWAT officers. Unfortunately, he was critically injured by the SWAT and loses consciousness.
Son, it's me. Remember.
The injured SEAL X tries to grab his gun and goes to Jack's side.
Son, remember.
Finally, Jack recognizes the boss.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
SEAL X moves to point his gun at the boss, but Jack stops him SWAT style.
We are friends. No, stop. No. Please, we are friends.
At this moment, The boss and Seal X are sitting together, listening to the story Jack is telling.
Let's go. Hurry up.
The boss turns around to see that Jack has fainted. He immediately shoots towards the SWAT team, but the SWAT fire back more accurately, forcing the boss to flee hurriedly.
Yeah, you guys, how do you feel?
The story doesn't end there. Seal X is patrolling the street when the severely injured Jack crawls out and faints. Seal X arrives to find Jack lying motionless there and
Hey,
carries him back for medical treatment.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah,
very good. Thank you so much.
It's very simple.
Afterwards, the boss and Jack
Yeah,
happily
let's
leave
go.
together.